Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back again in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. You know what I mean? This one is just like a really quick recipe. Basically, I have some. This is some peach right here, and I have some strawberry. So it's peach and strawberry smoothie. I just put the strawberry and the peaches together and just say, you know, I just put them in the blender. But my fans, they can do this drink at home. And all I'm going to do, I'm not going to put nothing inside of it. I'm just going to be just simple. Blend it like this. Because it's a drink which I have long time. These things I have long time. Nice and lovely. It's not something really long. I just check, you know what happened. I just share this with my fans. So now I just finish blend it. 2 or 3 seconds. Done and dusted. Look at this. That's peach and strawberry. And look at that. Just take a good look, guys. Peach and strawberry smoothie from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for watching my show, guys. It's amazing. We got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming out for the fans. And as I said, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere and watch my video. It was really nice. And this is a proper recipe from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, you know what happened? I got some pineapple which I just get from the shop a while ago, you know what I mean? And I said to myself, the only thing I feel to do with the pineapple, I didn't want the pineapple anymore, is just make a pineapple smoothie. So basically, I'm gonna pop the pineapple inside of my Ninja blender right here. That's the only thing come to my mind. Is that, you know what happened? Me don't want the pineapple anymore, and the only thing we can do with it is make a simple smoothie and drink it. Alright? Pineapple smoothie from Chef Ricardo and the team today. And honestly, one of you guys going to love this one because you can simply get some pineapple at the supermarket or the shop. You don't need to add nothing to it, but I squeeze some lemon, half of a lemon inside of it like what I'm doing. Really nice. And then get a piece of a ginger, remove the skin from the ginger. Much better when you remove the skin, guys, from the ginger, alright? Nice fat chunk piece of a ginger. And put it straight inside of it like that. Yeah, and I was saying to myself, so what should I do with this pineapple? But the only thing come to my mind is to make some drink. Put a little bit of water inside of it. And also, you know, the pineapple is definitely sweet, but only thing I might have said, because of the water, it might have a little bit diluted. So what I'm going to do is just simple squeeze a tiny little bit of honey in it, not too much, because you don't want to overpower it. That's a little bit of honey in it, just to bring up a flavor towards the cucumber, alright? Then I'm going to cover it like this. And I'm going to be blending this for probably about 3 to 4 seconds. The time is cool, you don't need no ice. Nice and lovely. So basically it just finished blend, and honestly, as I said, the time is cool, you don't need no ice. And true, I did have it in the fridge earlier. It's really cool. Oh, honestly, it smells so really yummy and nice and tasty. Pour it inside of a glass like this. Sometimes some people do strain it, you know what I mean, and get rid of that fiber, but just gonna be keeping it really that's natural like that. And also just simple put a little piece of a lemon on it like this. Get your straw. That's it, guys. Pineapple juice. Really nice and lovely. And I know you guys will love it with some lemon, ginger, and honey. It's just an amazing recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. Got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming out from the fans them. And as I say, I just have the pineapple and I need to do something with it. I just blend it up and make a juice. And you can do the same thing at home with your pineapple. I love you all. Thank you for your subscribing. Thank you for leaving your comments. And this one is just an easy recipe, guys. So please leave your comments below and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I will see you next time with another video. Alright? Bye-bye.